In this paper, we conduct an examination of the accessibility challenges experienced by people with upper body motor impairments when interacting with television, which we analyze from the perspective of coping with and hacking the TV remote control, but also engaging in do-it-yourself workarounds to be able to use conventional TV remotes. We make several contributions in this paper. First, we bring the new perspective of do-it-yourself workarounds to understand the accessibility challenges of people with motor impairments for interacting with television. Second, we report findings from interviews conducted with 41 participants with upper body motor impairments. Third, we use our findings to suggest new scientific investigation opportunities at the intersection of the television watching experience and the do-it-yourself culture to increase the accessibility of interactions with television for people with motor impairments. We conducted a study with 41 participants with various types of motor impairments and with a control group of 41 participants without impairments. During our interviews, we collected information about the participants' health and disability, accessibility challenges with the TV remote control, television watching behavior, and their use of second screen devices. Our paper reports many results. For instance, we found that participants with motor impairments were spending more time watching television, in some cases even 10 or 12 hours per day, compared to the participants without impairments. Also, custom TV remote controls were not used, with the exception of 3 participants. Reasons for not using them included the high price of some custom remote controls and also the need to set them up to work with a particular TV model. However, we found that both participants with and without motor impairments were using their smartphones as second screen devices when watching television, with no statistical difference between the two groups. Both participants with and without motor impairments reported issues when using the TV remote control, but of different kinds. For instance, the participants with motor impairments focused exclusively on the difficulty of gripping the TV remote control, holding it stably, pointing the remote control in the direction of the TV, pressing its buttons, and reaching for the TV remote control. Our interviews revealed coping strategies of the participants with motor impairments to be able to use the conventional TV remote controls that came with their TV sets, such as holding the TV remote control with both hands, placing the TV remote control on a stable surface, but also several workarounds and do-it-yourself approaches, such as duct taping the TV remote control on another object to ensure its stability while pressing buttons. Based on our findings, we propose several ideas for future work, including smart wearables that are always available and always on, and one-button input techniques for new TV interactions that are adapted to the motor abilities of people with motor impairments. Also, we highlight the need for more studies to be conducted in order to understand the television watching behavior with people with motor impairments, and also more studies to document their workarounds and do-it-yourself practices regarding interaction with television. Thank you for watching. Please see our paper for more details, results, and discussion.